Leetcode Weekly Context 491. Question number 2. Minimum cost to split into ones. In this problem, we are looking for a minimum total cost, where the cost is a times 2. So if we can get a production of these two numbers, the minimum value, there's a way I will go is, say with a given number n, if we do it n minus 1 times 1. This would be a smaller cost. So if we keep going this way, we're gonna get all the cost with n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 until 1, which convert this problem to how do we calculate the summation of number from number 1 to n plus 1, which is n times n minus 1 divided by 2. This is the final result we are looking for.